let's go check out what they have and like shop around for some future bikes, guys. I just got here to the Ducati Triumph BMW dealership. Just gonna check out some new bikes, maybe shop around for a future bike. Let's see what they got. Look at all these things. I want to see an S1000 RR. Oh my god, look at all these bikes. How's it going? Oh my god. Look at these Ducatis, guys. I need one. God damn. Guys, look at this thing. If I had a Ducati, look at this V4 SP2. So sick. But this, what is this? Panigale V2. This thing looks smaller. Just looking around. Probably like S1000s too. Want to check those out. Yeah. Guys, look at the S1000. Got all the carbon parts on it. That's crazy. See, this is my next bike, guys. S1000. Thing feels tall. That's crazy. It feels taller than my bike. This thing is beautiful. This is like the 23, I think. Yeah, 23 because it has the winglets. This thing looks sick. $26K. God. These S1000s are beautiful. So what do you guys think? S1000 as a next bike? Ducati? Or Aprilia? Or adventure bike? These are pretty cool. Or a bagger. But yeah, nothing too crazy, just a few Beamers and Ducatis. Yo, someone was ripping this thing. That's crazy. Dude, I like the Ducatis, they're so fresh. These probably are the most beautiful bikes. Oh my god. V4S. Thank you. Have a good one. One day, guys. One day. But come on, guys. Like and subscribe so I can get another bike for the channel. But we have this one. We're going to mod this one out even more. I really want like a Ducati. I want a leader bike, guys. Something fast. So hopefully soon, guys. Hope you liked the little tour of the dealership. I've never been here before, so now I just need to go get some gas and I'm gonna head home because it's way too hot to ride today. So let's check this thing out real quick. Okay. Oh, it has the Rizoma little reservoirs. Looks fresh. Alright guys, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.